So a big thunderstorm just happened, and we're going to check out Tall Pine Cabin. Since she doesn't have a roof on her right now, we're afraid that she might have some puddles. Anyway, let's see what happens. Here we go. We're going to check her out. Big thunderstorm, lightning strikes all over within a 0.1 mile. And now, get the key out, and we'll see how she does without a roof. Oh, a little wet over here. Luckily I had some tarps on some things just in case. Yeah, there's a little lake, so that tells me that corner is a little low maybe.
Yeah.
Not a lot, but a little bit. Anyway, there's that. The windows work to keep the rain out from that side of things. Oh my. What do you think, Keith?
Yeah, I think you need a roof.
Yeah, this whole no roofs thing. But we've got the lumber coming for it this morning, so we'll be able to get going on it. Maybe once the rain stops. Now this is the way to get it delivered. So here we are on the long-awaited day for putting the roof on, or at least the framework for it, finally. But I thought I'd walk you down here and we'll take a peek at it just before we start working on it. So anyway, here we go down the familiar trail, and you can see we've got some lumber that we have. There are 2x6s that we've notched out for the supports on the side. And those are 16 feet long. It's going to go right up there. There's some 2x4s we're going to use as some supports. And there's that empty roof that's soon to have some wood on top. We have checked and fit it there already just to make sure that we had all of our measurements correct. So ideally things will go up just fine, but you know how that works. Anyway, we'll see. Anyway, coming down here to the benches, and my friend Keith is making sure the benches still work.
Yeah,
hey,
they're holding.
Good.
Yes.
Hey Keith, and
solid.
We're ready for the putting that roof on, right?
Yes.
Woohoo!
This is my one and only break for the week, so
yeah.
I'm back to work. I know Mr. Working Hard Russ. Time to go back.
Yep. Yeah, we got to get to it. So we did yesterday get that kind of header up there all bolted in. But it's very solid and holds that right there. And of course, right, Keith, we got to look at the view. So
yeah, you got to enjoy the view.
There's the view today.
Just a little bit of wind.
Yeah, just a little breeze, and there's a little bit of haze in the air from smoke from a nearby wildfire, but not close enough to have a problem for us. Anyway, better get to work.
Last words before we push?
We're going to take this piece here and we're going to push it into place. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Uh-oh, it got stuck. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's stuck.
It's stuck. You gotta go.
We got it part way.
You gotta go lift it up.
Yeah.
But I can keep pushing.
Okay.
But you go lift the end up.
You have to get in the middle so you don't get it.
Okay, I'll get in the middle. That's fine. But I still can push.
Yeah.
As long as, tell me when you're ready to lift. Move the ladder in the middle.
Yeah, it looks like it's on this right hand side.
Okay.
is where it's at. Okay, ready?
Okay.
There it is. Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going. A little farther.
Well,
That's
okay, I got a
almost
problem.
there. Just a teeny bit farther.
Russ, I'm gonna fall into the ditch.
Oh, okay.
That's
That's
as
it.
far as
for
I
now.
can push. Okay. I fell into the ditch.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah, because I told you that's as far as I can push.
You okay?
Yeah. Wait, let's turn the light on. Oh no, you know, I would gotta go like an inch or two more.
Yeah.
Why don't we just, you get on that side, I get on this side and we push.
We can do that.
Yes! Okay, you
I
can't
was-
push from over there.
I was thinking you did with
You ready? How far?
1, 2, 1, 2.
Hold on, let me find.
Probably had it a little bit. Okay, ready?
Push
1,
again.
2.
There. How much more of this go?
No, what you got?
Is that close?
Now we have to bring this
We gotta go
way.
this way.
1, 2.
Okay, that's easy. Alright.
That's pretty close. We got
Yeah, it's pretty close. Okay.
got some adjustments to do. We got it close, but we got some adjustments to do.
Okay.
So we'll return you to this episode in a little bit, okay? Next time we get a chance to have something interesting. Okay.